The biggest problem, I think, with telemedicine or technology in general is that the regulatory boards seem to be very slow to react. And what we found last year when we began talking about telemedicine, people would call their boards of pharmacy and they were hearing things like, well, unless the doctor actually sees the patient. Well, they're going to see the patient. No, they actually physically have to touch the patient. Otherwise, the prescription is not valid. Well, really, when did that happen? Because a lot of times doctors will call things in for their patients without seeing them. So they're behind. They got caught off guard with the internet. The technology is changing so fast. They're regulatory agencies, so they tend to go slower and understandably in many cases. But I think with the Affordable Care Act, it's a big part of the Affordable Care Act. So the government is looking to telemedicine. How people can get prepared for it? Embrace it. I think the idea that you can be the one-stop shop or provide a service to your patients that they can have access. It's affordable access. They might have health insurance, but people have high deductibles and high copays. The idea with telemedicine that you could see somebody for as little as $19.95 a month for your whole family, it's a great opportunity for the pharmacist to make that service available to their patients. The doctors, in-state doctors, I mean, who said the doctor couldn't write a prescription for anybody in the state, right? Can send it electronically, and it's going to help people a lot. I think it's going to be great for business. Businesses are actually embracing it. I know FedEx, I know Pepsi, a lot of big corporations are embracing it because what it's done is it's improved attendance, losing less time off when people have to take time off to go to the doctor with their kids. Now they can just handle it very quickly and they're back to work. So I think there's an opportunity for enhanced health care because more people are going to be getting professional advice than trying to figure things out on their own and maybe going in the wrong direction. So the pharmacists need to embrace it, not fight it. I think once you start to see people fight technology, that's when you know that something is moving from that deceptive stage to the disruptive stage, because people try to fight progress, and that's a losing battle.